Hi friends, this question is from test series 2. Subject name is operating system and the topic name is memory management and virtual memory. And it is of 2 marks. Let us see the question. Consider a system having logical address space of n bits and page size of z bytes. Calculate the total number of frames if the physical address size is p bytes. Also calculate the size of page table if each entry size is 8 bytes. Total number of frames and size of page table respectively are option A 2 power z minus p, 2 power n plus 2 by z. Option B 2 power z plus p, 2 power n minus 2 by z. Option C 2 power p minus z, 2 power n plus 3 by z. Option D 2 power p plus z, 2 power n minus 3 by z. Let us see the solution. Given logical address space as n bits, that is nothing but 2 power n bytes. Page size is z bytes and physical address space is p and page table entry size as 8. We have to find the number of frames and the page table size. First, in order to find the number of frames, we have to calculate the page table size. Page table size is given as number of pages into page table entry size. It is the formula to calculate the page table size. And in order to find out the number of pages, the formula is logical address space by page size. And page table entry size is given as 8 bytes. So logical address space is nothing but 2 power n by page size is z bytes into 8. So it is nothing but 2 power n plus 3 by z. So again next we have to calculate the number of frames. Before calculating the number of frames, we have to know how to calculate the number of frames, which is nothing but in CPU it is CPU will map physical address and the logical address space using page map table. Here it is n is nothing but logical address space and p is nothing but physical address space. In this one both will have common thing, which is nothing but offset. It is represented by d and which is nothing but z. D is nothing but offset. And this is common and this is same, so z and z. Here it is p, physical address is p and we got d value as z, so frames will be f minus z, p minus z. So the number of frames here is 2 power p minus z. So the answer for this one is 2 power n plus 3 by z, which is page table size, and the number of frames are 2 power p minus z, and both these are in option C. So the answer for this question is option C. From this question we learn how to find out the page table size and how to find out the number of frames. Thank you.